Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's a Tuesday, April the 9th, 2024. I've heard yesterday there was a solar eclipse in the US, Mexico, and Canada. Yes, did you saw the solar eclipse? We have here in today's newspaper three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional, with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 JigSaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Not now, but in the evening. And right now I will solve the 3 regular puzzles. Yeah, the 3 regular puzzles. And let me see. The first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 8327. 8327. Let me zoom this in. Okay. 8327. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has a lot. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because all the puzzles with 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Wow. We have a 2 in this row. First row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright, and now let me see. Then 33. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 379, 379, 379. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in this box. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in this column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. All right. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1. Alright. 3, 4, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this row. First row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we have 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Oh. Then need a 7 here. 8, need 8 there, need 8 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. And I need a 4 here. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Well. Come on. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. One. Well, 3 and need a 5 here. Well. 3 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for those 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Here, 2 numbers left in this row. The 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And then, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row for number 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 8 and a 7, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Maybe it should be a 0 stars, because I'm faster than 30 minutes. So it's not the 3, not the 2, not the 1 star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Star Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.